is over. It was so easy. I am so impressed at the quality of care and skill set at Providence consistently. If you're gonna get cancer or anything, you gotta go Providence, baby. This is class act 5-star quality medical care. That's where you go. I'm so blessed. I have the most beautiful stepchildren and child and grandson and a beautiful husband, and I'm so happy. I'm also on drugs. There's a lot of skinny ones today. I'm so grateful for my Nancy and my Debbie, these wise women with experience that are gracious enough to share their time and knowledge with me, and a Chris and a Brian and beautiful stepchildren and child. Row baby, oh row baby.